What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be doing a video on unconventional tire shine. What I mean by that is I'm going to be using Pledge, Johnson & Johnson baby oil, WD-40, and then I'm going to use a tester one of just some normal tire gel that I always use. So I'm going to see how long these last. I'll probably just put them on today and check on them in about a week and see if they are lasting, if it's going to be any better than a normal tire shine. So I've heard a lot of good things about Pledge, so I'm definitely wondering if that's going to be good or not. So let's get this video started. I know I forgot to mention too that I'll be using a brand new microfiber applicator for every wheel, so I don't get them all mixed up. So that way one won't be used on a different tire and cross-contaminate, which I don't think is going to make a big difference, but I just wanted to have a good sample, so every single one would be using a different applicator pad. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to wash all the wheels. I'm going to get them pretty clean, so that way, like you normally do, just wash them really good with just a normal tire cleaner and rinse them off and dry them off, and then we will get started on putting the tire shine on. Alright, so the first one I'm going to do, I'm just going to do the normal tire gel on a fresh microfiber pad. Alright, so this is what it looks like afterwards. Now I'll go on to the next one. Alright, so now I'm going to try Pledge on a nice fresh microfiber again on this wheel. I'm going to be trying to apply the same amount of product for every one. It's kind of hard to tell, but hopefully I'll get the same amount of each one. I do have to say this one smells a lot better. I'm going to do a little bit more. Alright, now I'm going to do WD-40 on this wheel. here's WD-40, and I'll be showing you guys some before and after pictures of what it looks like before and after, then also a week later. Alright, now last one is going to be baby oil. Let's see how this one comes out. Alright, there's the baby oil one. This one looks a lot wet, like a lot more wet than the other ones. So we'll see how this one looks in a little bit. Okay, so this has just been a few minutes after. So this is the one with just a normal tire gel from meguiars. I think it gives a pretty good deep shine. And then here's the one from Pledge. It looks like it gave it like a matte finish, but doesn't look too bad. Still gives it a nice looking color. Then here's the baby oil. The baby oil, it's almost looking like it's starting to evaporate right there, because it does look very glossy and wet, but I don't know how much longer it'll last like this. Like I said, this has been on there for maybe 10 minutes now. And then WD-40. WD-40 looks like it really did nothing. The wheel is like very dry to the touch. So we'll see how clean they stay. I'll probably follow up in about a week and see how it is with everyday driving. So I'll see you then.
3 days later.
Alright guys, so this is 3 days after applying all the tire shines. This first wheel is the meguiars tire shine. Still looks pretty good. Still has a slight shine to it. And then this wheel in the back was the Pledge, which I had high hopes for because everybody else said it lasts a good while. And to me it looks just like a normal wheel with no tire shine on it. But it doesn't look dirty though, so that's a plus. And then on this wheel, I had the baby oil, which doesn't look bad. Still doesn't have like a shine to it like the normal tire shine does. And it looks just like the Pledge. And then the last wheel was the WD-40, which looks the dullest out of all of them. Which I didn't have high hopes for this because when I was applying it after 10 minutes, it looked exactly the same.
1 week later.
Alright you guys, so not sure exactly which way I had the car parked last time. I think it was parked the other way. So I'm going to just throw something up on the screen, show you exactly where I had left off with what tire shines I have where at. But I just want to show you guys. So this is the passenger side rear. They look okay. They look dull. They're not shiny at all. I'm not sure which one this was, but I'm gonna throw something up on the screen. And then here's the front passenger. Again, they look dull. Looks like there's still some type of residue on here, but they look dull. They're not dirty, but didn't really hold up much. Now here's the front driver. It seems like it's still got a little gloss to it. It's still got some type of residue on it. I think this one was the actual tire shine. And it looks somewhat glossy still, or somewhat like with a sheen to it. So it seems like after a week, this one doesn't look too bad. And then the rear driver side. looks very dull, pretty dirty. I don't know if it looks like some type of dirt actually started sticking to it. So I don't know, whatever one was on this one, I would not recommend. But honestly guys, it looks like trying to use anything like an unconventional type of tire shine really does not make a difference. Honestly, even with the price, I mean, when I was going out to buy all this stuff, I mean, everything was like between like $3 to $5. So I think a basic tire shine is about $5. I would imagine, I don't know if the one I was using, I don't know if it was just because it was a gel, it lasted longer, but compared to all the other things, nothing outlasted the tire shine. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it, do whatever you guys kind of need to do, and I'll see you guys next time.